Okay, guys, hello everybody, and I'm gonna show you basically myself how we can use Minikube in a local environment exactly on my M1 Mac MacBook Air. This is the minimal configuration of 8 gigabytes RAM and 256 SSD. So I used before Kubernetes and Minikube, but not just a little bit, and I want to remember how to use it, and I treat ChatGPT how I can use it, and the outcome of this treating was this repository and a super small project that I can roll it out to, and in our case, 5 pods, and see how it will be changed when I rebuild the image and roll out new image in these pods. So let me show you how it looks like locally. So there is a application, fast API application. The only thing that it can be done, it's showing status OK and version that we pass as environment variable. So Docker file is a super simple Docker file based on the Python image 3.12. So we copy application, install dependencies, passing, we pass the as an argument up version, and then we connect it as environment variable, and then run uvicorn in order to obviously to run application. What next we have? We have deployment. Deployment, super simple. Initially 1 replica, and then I changed it to 5 in order to understand how we can roll it out, how we can change version during your time, and yeah. The important thing is image pull policy if not present, so we don't need to pull it from somewhere. So we will use our local image. Yeah, that's it. And what is it? Service. Service. The only thing that we can see is the name of service and the target port and port. That's it. And the node port, it's as I understand, Minikube will assign any port, whatever he wants. Okay, what else? I think that's it. Docker file up deployment service. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we have. I already ran some pods, so let's see kube etl get pods, and we can see 5 pods because we have 5 replicas right now. And what we're gonna do, we need to run watch, which will be curl every certain amount of time to understand what version we have right now. So let me switch here and run this watch. Okay, failed to connect server. Oh, what a surprise. Because I don't run port forwarding, I don't run so I have to, first of all, I have to Minikube service demo API. This actually will make port forward, open URL, all this stuff. You can read about this in documentation, but right now I just run it, and yeah, open application for now it's version 1.3. You can't see it, but I will show you in a curve. I can do it like this, yes. And watch. So, sorry, not the right port. The right port was this one. I'm sorry. This one, because every time it's a different port. Yeah. Okay. Version 1.3. Right now we have 1.3, and then let's open another window in order to have everything in our plane. Where is it? Here I will run. Oh no, sorry, not this one. Status of all pods. All 5 replicas, all 5 pods is running. So I'm gonna rebuild the image with the version 1.4. Okay. Let me copy paste this command to rebuild the image. Where is it? Yeah, this one. And obviously 1.4. Okay. I don't know why it's rebuilding, why it's installing one more time, because I put it on the last. Okay, anyway. We rebuilt the image, but version still 1.3 because the pods obviously not stopped before, and we have to run some command in order to one more time roll out our pods, and these pods will get new image, right? kubectl, rollout, restart, deployment, a demo API. Okay. Right now, try to take a look at the right bottom screen, where is version 1.3, and I press rollout, and at the same time take a look at the kubectl get pods minus dash w. Go. Okay, 1.3. Oh my god. 1.3. 1.3. What's happened? Where is 1.4? Still 1.3. Oh, I failed. I don't know why, but I'm failed. Let's check one more time. It's running, but why it's showing 1.3? Still 1.3. I'm not sure. Up version 1.4. I don't know why. Okay, let's do it one more time. One more time. 1.3. Okay. Maybe I make mistake and the Minikube status. I know what the problem. I build the image inside the local Docker context. I have to run one magic. Magic is eval minikube minus p minikube docker env. And then, so, yeah. And after that, yeah, one more time build. And one more time Rollout. Where is rollout? Yes, this one. Okay, one more time. Go. Oh, 1.4. 1.4. I don't know why. I don't know why it's connection. Before I see that 1.3, 1.2, and 1.4. But right now, connection reset by, I don't know why. Okay, let's reduce it to, let's say, to 1 replicas. I mean, reduce amount of replicas to 1. Just like this. I don't know how to show. Yeah, right now only 1 replicas. And rebuild and okay, let's make it 7. I don't know. Can my poor Mac do it? Okay, can do it. 7 seconds. And rebuild the image one more time. 1.5. Let's go. Okay. And roll out. 1.4, have to change to 1.5. Go. Oh. Seems like. Oh. Run command. Sorry. Watch. Already 1.5. Ah, fuck. I don't know why connection reset by peer. Okay. Let's rebuild it. 1.6. And roll out. 1.5. 1.6. 1.5. Oh, that's it. What I'm gonna do is see this happen. So this is the mix when we roll out. This is the mix between the 1.6 and 1.5 because the problem is some load balancer reroute traffic to different pods. One pods with the older image and with old image, and another pod with a new image. That's why we see different version. So as I understand, we can use some strategy how we can just pull the trigger and switch, pull the switch, and it will be immediately switched to another version. But it's something that I don't know. Need to learn something about it. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.